You go to your Google Drive and click on Shared Drives. Go to Assessment Shared Drive and then click on LPAC. And this year, 2021, and then go to Completion Report. You will see the current completion reports here. Please do not double click here, but instead just right click and then download the file and download it to your desktop. I'm going to download it to my desktop here. Okay, so now it's downloaded on my desktop. So you go to your desktop and I'll find the file which is right here. You can open it using Google or Excel, or just double click on it. You can enable the editing here, and these are the filters here. I'm going to show you here. These are the filters. You can just choose your school. If you want to see particular grades, see how your kindergarten's doing, or K1 and 2, you hold Control key and you press K1 and 2. Okay, they are almost done with the reading. The writing, they have not turned in the answer documents. If you want to see the whole school, you can click here. It will highlight all grades. Okay. If you want to choose more than one school, you just choose one and then hold the Control key and then Conyer, Cottonwood. You have Annie Mitchell, Conyer, and Cottonwood. And if you want to choose all schools, you click here and we'll choose all schools. And at the bottom, you will see a list here. These are all the list of your EL students. If they have taken the test, it will be accessed here. And if they have completed all domains, it will be in red. So for example, if you go to Conyer, for example, you will see a lot of blacks here because all this black, they have completed all domains. Okay, and because you have downloaded, you can do modify this file. You can change the sorting. You can do whatever you want to do. And also there's a speaking discrepancies here. These are students who have completed the speaking test. However, their scores have not been entered. So you will need to ask whoever administered the test. These are the TA, the test administrator. Ask them to enter the scores. And the teacher is the classroom teacher. That is the homeroom teacher or the English teacher at the secondary schools. And again, when you are on the Google Drive, please do not double click here. Instead, right click and download the file onto your desktop. Thank you.